Financial literacy is one of the most important skills you can develop in life. It's about understanding money and how to use it wisely. Today, you'll learn what financial literacy really means and why it has such a profound impact on your life outcomes. Whether you're just starting your career, planning for the future, or looking to improve your financial situation, this knowledge will empower you to make better decisions with your money. So what exactly is financial literacy? Financial literacy is the ability to understand and effectively use various financial skills. This includes personal financial management, creating and sticking to budgets, and making smart investment decisions. Think of it as your financial toolkit. The more skilled you become at using these tools, the better equipped you are to handle money in all aspects of your life. It's not just about earning money, but knowing how to manage, save, and grow it over time. Financial literacy rests on four core components. First is budgeting, which means planning and tracking your income and expenses so you know exactly where your money goes. Second is debt management, understanding how borrowing works and controlling it so debt doesn't control you. Third is investing, which is about making your money work for you and growing your wealth through smart decisions. And fourth is financial planning, setting long-term goals and creating strategies to achieve them. Mastering these four areas gives you a solid foundation for financial success. Unfortunately, most people struggle with basic financial knowledge, and the consequences are serious. Studies show that 63% of people cannot cover a $400 emergency expense. 78% live paycheck to paycheck, meaning they have no financial cushion if something goes wrong. And 57% lack basic financial knowledge, which means they're making decisions without really understanding the implications. These aren't just statistics, they represent real people facing real financial stress every single day. Financial literacy matters because it transforms how you live your life. When you're financially literate, you can make informed financial decisions with confidence instead of guessing or hoping for the best. You're able to achieve your financial goals and build wealth over time through consistent, smart choices. You can protect yourself from fraud and financial scams because you understand how they work. And perhaps most importantly, you reduce stress and gain peace of mind about money. Financial worries are one of the biggest sources of stress in people's lives, and financial literacy is the antidote. The impact of financial literacy extends into every major area of your life. When it comes to housing, being financially literate means you can qualify for better mortgages and loans with lower interest rates, saving you thousands of dollars. In your career, you'll be able to negotiate your salary and benefits effectively because you understand your worth and the true value of compensation packages. And for education, you can make smart choices about student loans, understanding the long-term implications of borrowing and choosing the best options for your situation. Financial literacy opens doors that remain closed to those without this knowledge. Let's look at the stark difference between life with and without financial literacy. Without it, you're likely living paycheck to paycheck with no buffer for unexpected expenses. You're carrying high debt and paying excessive interest that drains your income. You have no emergency savings, making you vulnerable to any financial shock. And you're constantly vulnerable to financial crises because you lack the tools to protect yourself. But with financial literacy, everything changes. You're building wealth consistently through disciplined saving and investing. You manage debt smartly, using it as a tool rather than letting it become a burden. You have a strong financial cushion that gives you security, and you're prepared for the unexpected because you've planned ahead. The difference is night and day. Here's the simple formula for financial success. Knowledge plus skills plus action equals financial freedom. You need all three components. Knowledge means understanding financial concepts and how money works. Skills means being able to apply that knowledge through budgeting, investing, and planning. And action means actually doing it, putting your knowledge and skills to work consistently. Financial literacy gives you the knowledge and skills, but you must take action. It empowers you to take control of your money, make informed decisions based on facts rather than emotion, and ultimately build the life you want. Financial freedom isn't about being rich, it's about having choices and security. Ready to get started? Here are 5 practical steps you can take right now. Step 1. Track your spending and create a budget. You can't manage what you don't measure, so start by understanding exactly where your money goes each month. Step 2. Build an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses saved in an easily accessible account. Step 3. Pay off high-interest debt first. Credit cards and payday loans charge excessive interest that keeps you trapped, so prioritize eliminating these. Step 4. Start investing for your future goals. Even small amounts add up over time thanks to compound interest. And Step 5. Continue learning and improving your financial skills. Financial literacy is a journey, not a destination. There's always more to learn as your life circumstances change. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. The most successful investors, the wealthiest people, and the most financially secure individuals all started exactly where you are now. The difference is they took that first step towards financial freedom. Today can be that day for you. Start with just one thing, whether it's creating your first budget, opening a savings account, or simply learning more about personal finance. That first step leads to the second, and before you know it, you'll be on your way to financial literacy and the freedom it brings. Your future self will thank you for starting today.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.